Welcome back to Auto Upgrade Hub, your trusted place for real, raw, and honest auto reviews. Today we're diving into something truly unique, the 2026 Mustang Shelby-inspired Suzuki Alto. Yes, you heard that right. Suzuki has taken bold design cues from the legendary American muscle and blended them into one of the most compact city cars on the market. The result is a mix of sporty attitude and daily practicality, and we're here to find out if it really works. Let's start with the exterior, because that's where this car instantly grabs attention. The 2026 Suzuki Alto Shelby Edition has a stance unlike any Alto before it. The front fascia is sharper and more aggressive, featuring a honeycomb grille with a blacked-out Mustang-style lower lip. The headlights have been redesigned to carry a sleeker, narrow profile, almost like a scaled-down sports coupe. The hood lines are deeper, giving that Shelby muscle identity, but in a compact and aerodynamic package. Suzuki added a two-tone paint scheme option, matte black with racing stripes, or the classic metallic blue with white Shelby lines, both of which turn heads immediately. Even the side profile has been reworked with slightly flared fenders and new 16-inch alloy wheels that give this small hatch a surprisingly confident look. Around back, you'll find a mini ducktail spoiler, LED taillights shaped after the Shelby GT500, and a dual-tone rear bumper with a sporty diffuser finish. It's playful, bold, and stylish, not something you expect to say about an Alto. Now moving toward performance, the most exciting part. Under the hood, the 2026 Alto Shelby Edition carries Suzuki's newly tuned 1.0-liter booster jet engine, turbocharged for extra punch. It produces around 90 horsepower, which might sound modest, but when you combine that with the Alto's lightweight body, it feels quick and energetic. The throttle response is sharper, the acceleration smoother, and the turbo kicks in at just the right time. Suzuki has upgraded the transmission with a new 5-speed automatic that offers faster shifts, and there's even a sport mode that slightly alters the throttle mapping. On city roads, this car feels nimble and eager to move. Take it on a highway, and while it's not a high-speed monster like a real Mustang Shelby, it holds its lane with surprising stability. The steering has been made tighter, offering better feedback at corners, and the suspension setup has been re-engineered to handle bumps without losing that sporty edge. Fuel efficiency remains a highlight. Suzuki promises close to 22 kilometers per liter, which makes it a rare blend of performance and economy. The braking system has also been enhanced, featuring ventilated front discs that add confidence during quick stops. It's safe to say that Suzuki found a sweet spot here, something that delivers the thrill of driving without punishing your wallet at the fuel pump. Now let's take a quick look inside. The interior of the 2026 Alto Shelby Edition keeps the sporty vibe alive but in a subtle, functional way. The seats are wrapped in premium black fabric with red stitching and Shelby-style racing stripes down the center. The flat-bottom steering wheel features chrome inserts and mounted controls for media and drive modes. The digital instrument cluster is fully updated, brighter, smoother, and more responsive. Suzuki has introduced a new infotainment system with a 9-inch touchscreen that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The sound system delivers surprisingly clear bass, and the cabin insulation is noticeably improved. Even at higher speeds, outside noise stays minimal, which gives the driver a more focused experience. Space in the back is still compact, but the overall comfort level has improved due to better cushioning and materials. The dashboard layout looks more premium now, with carbon fiber style accents that hint at the Shelby inspiration. To sum it up, the 2026 Mustang Shelby-inspired Suzuki Alto is not just a facelift, it's a full personality shift. It's Suzuki's statement that even small cars can carry big attitude. This Alto brings sportiness, style, and practicality into one surprisingly balanced package. It's perfect for city drivers who want performance vibes without sacrificing mileage or comfort. The Shelby spirit lives on here, not in horsepower numbers, but in design confidence and driving fun. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into unique car builds and future auto trends, make sure to subscribe to Auto Upgrade Hub. Hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which car you want reviewed next. Until then, drive safe, stay tuned, and keep upgrading your passion for cars.